Here's how to put video inside text in Canva.
First, go to the home page and select the video icon. From the templates, select the one you would like to work with, and a new video canvas is created. Next, select the Elements tab and scroll down until you see frames. Select See All, and in the search bar, search for letters. All the letter frames available will appear, and you can choose any letter frame you want to work with. Find the frames you like and place them on your canvas. Next, drag your video into your letter frames. To do this, you can either drag a video from your uploads or use any of the free videos found in Canva, either in the Elements tab if you're on the free plan or in the Video tab if you're on the Pro plan. Drag your video and place it into all your letter frames. You can end here if you like how it looks, but if you want it to look like there is one uniform video, you will have to enlarge each video so that they are the same size on the canvas from edge to edge. To do this, double-click the video in the first letter frame and enlarge it so that it touches the edge of your design. Repeat this for all the frames, making sure that all the videos in the frames are the same size, touching the same edges. After that, your video should play as if it is one, and that's how you put video inside text in Canva.